Hello guys, mini vlog lang. I'm finally out of bed, feeling much better, and I need some fresh air, so I decided I can go out for a short walk, quick and short walk, just to have fresh air. Beautiful view sa bukid. It's very nice. Gloomy yung weather, pero pag umaraw, matikas din.